Welcome to another Business Tech Planet video. Today, we'll show you how to make your own stickers in Microsoft Teams. Creating your own stickers adds a personal touch to your conversations. To make these stickers, we'll be using an AI tool called MidJourney that creates unique images based on text prompts. To use MidJourney, check the description for a quick start guide and a free alternative. To make a prompt, type / imagine. Leave a space, then type in the prompt. We want to make a cartoon Elon Musk, with thumbs up. Adding the version is optional, but we'll put --v5.2 at the end. When you hit enter, MidJourney will build 4 unique images based on the prompt. Those look great, but we'll be using an image we made earlier. Let's upscale it by clicking U2. U means upscale, and V means make variations. The top left image is 1, top right is 2, bottom left is 3, and the bottom right is 4. Click the upscaled image and open it in the browser. Then right-click and save it wherever you want. Once you've saved the image, head over to Microsoft Teams and open any chat. Here, click the sticker icon under the chat box. Then select Meme from the left menu. Click the plus icon, and select the image you just saved. If you want to use these stickers, there's a free download in the description. Next, hit open, and you'll have the option to add caption text. When you're finished, hit done. And finally, send the message. Unfortunately, Teams won't save your stickers, so you'll need to click the plus icon and add your stickers manually each time. However, if that's a problem, you can use a third-party app to save custom stickers. To do that, head to Apps in the left menu. Then search for an app called My Stickers. In the results, click the Add button next to the app. Then click Add again at the top. Hit Try it, or Got it to continue. Now open a chat with a colleague, and click the 3 dots under the chat box. Select My Stickers from the pop-up, and then click the Upload button. Next, hit the plus icon. Then select the image, or images that you want to add, and click Open. Once the image is uploaded, close the upload window, then open My Stickers again. This time, you'll see your stickers saved, and you can simply click the stickers to add them to the chat box. That's all for this video. If you found it helpful, why not buy us a coffee? We'd really appreciate it, and you'll be helping us grow the channel. Thanks for watching. Remember to check the description for additional resources. And don't forget to subscribe for more Microsoft videos.